Hello, lounge lovers. It's your girl Tamika. Hello, gorgeous. All right, so today we're getting ready to do the eyebrows. Okay, so the only things that you will need to do your eyebrows is one of these spoolies here, a spoolie with a sharpened end. You will need a like some type of putty to clean up the areas. If you don't have putty, you can use a concealer or use any type of a foundation that is close to your skin color. And you will need a eye pencil of your choice. So I'm going to go in with a little bit of black right here. And then this one is more like an off black. And it's like a tilted in. So, why? A tilted in right there. Okay, so here we go. And you will need a brow gel. You don't necessarily have to have a brow gel, but I'm using the elf. This one is not like a brow gel, but it is like a little jelly type situation here. And we're just going to lift the eyebrows up a little bit. If you need to clean up your eyebrows, meaning that you need to give them a little quick shave, do it. Okay, so once we lift those bad boys up, now mind you, I did have microblading last year, back in August, I believe it was. But it's still there, but it's just not prominent at all. Like, it's not standing out. On camera, it's looking very light, but in person, it's a little bit more brown. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my sharpened black pencil to give me a precise. So I got to look over here in this right here first. All right, so I just want to even it up. So I'm gonna go up like that. Wait, hold. All right, so it's gonna look like this, okay? All right, so then I'm gonna go lightly over just to create the line to connect to right there. Don't worry if you mess up, because that's what the putty is for. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm going in with this slanted one, because for one, my eyebrows are more like a dark brown, because that's what she gave me, and my natural hair color is dark brown. And I don't want to go in with black eyebrows. Understand? Okay. Ooh, stop shaking. And I'm just going to lightly fill right up in there like that. Okay. I gotta make sure it's a little even, so I had to go right there. Then I'm gonna go in to kind of like erase that line a little. See, when I do this, raking it across, it literally takes away what I just created. So I don't really do a whole lot of smoothing out unless it's like too dark or something. If anything, I try to smooth out where I actually do have hair at. I need to go in with this black pencil because I erased my line. Okay, so now we're going to smooth it all out with the putty. This is where you're going to get this right here. And you're just going to go in with it just to even out, clean it up. Yeah, you want it cleaned up so when people see you, they're gonna be like, oh, I love your eyebrows. You're gonna be like, yeah, honey, thank you. Now, right here in this section, you could go with a lighter color to give it more like of a highlight under here. You know, you could do that. That's if you want to. But yeah, I try to go under and create the actual look that I want. So I'm just recreating my own eyebrows because they're a little dysfunctional. Okay. All right. Boom. So this is what my eyebrows look like. All right. So just kind of even it out some. Oh, see, I'm fading it away. Yeah, I keep erasing it. I don't know why I do that. I'm erasing that line. All right. Now, if I want, I can go back in with the dark pencil and create the ombre effect, ombre look, where it's like light right up in here and then it's dark, so I don't go all the way over here. I just go in a little bit to create it. And then, boom. That's how you do your eyebrows. And then go in with your mascara. To complete the eye look. And then boom. And that's it. Okay. Goodbye, gorgeous.